cos y
cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, that is the formula of cos x plus y. Second formula, cos x minus y, that is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y. See here. Here we prove that the 3 sin pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4, that is equal to 1. So first we write a right hand left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 3 into sin pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Okay. What is the value of sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6, that value is equal to sin 30. And sin 30 value, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly for sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3, that means sec 60. And sec 60, that value is 2. Minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6, that is equal to 30. 30 into 5, that is equal to 130. Sin 30 into 5, that is 150. 150. Sin 150, that means we write down sin 5 pi by 6. It is same as sin pi minus pi by 6. That lies in second quadrant. Sin 150 lies in second quadrant, and that is same as pi minus pi by 6. And pi minus pi by 6, it is same as sin 5 pi by 6. And cot pi by 4 value is 1. Okay. And sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta, that value is sin theta, because in second quadrant sin function is positive in second quadrant, and theta is equal to pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. Then 2 cancel, 3 ones are 3 minus 4, that is equal to sin pi by 6. Sin pi minus pi by 6, it is same as sin pi by 6. Multiply with 1. 3 as it is minus 4. Sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. Multiply with 1. 2 2s are 4. Therefore 3 minus 2 1s are 2. And 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. And that is same as right hand side. Okay, that is same as right hand side. Okay. Next, exercise 3.3, question number 1. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. First one, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4, it is that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So first we write a left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Okay. What is the value of sin pi by 6? Sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value, that means cos 60, that is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, and tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, that means tan 45, and tan 45 value, that is equal to 1 square. 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, minus 1. Take LCM. 1 plus 1, 4 ones are 4, divide by 4, that is same, that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4, minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, and that is same as right hand side, as proved. Okay, as proved. Okay. 3.3, question number 2. So first we write a left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. What is the value of sine pi by 6? Sine pi by 6, that is sine 30. Sine square 30. So sine 30 value is 1 by 2 whole square. Sine pi by 6, that is 1 by 2 whole square. Cosec 7 pi by 6, that is cosec square as it is. And 7 pi by 6, it is same as pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi by 6, it is same as lies in a third quadrant, pi plus pi by 6. And cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos square pi by 3, that means 1 by 2 whole square. And that function, cosec function, lies in third quadrant, pi plus theta, and that is equal to negative cosec theta. Negative cosec theta, because cosec function is negative in third quadrant. Okay, that value, that is 2 multiply 1 by 4 and negative cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi plus pi by 6, that is negative cosec pi by 6. Negative cosec pi by 6 whole square into 1 by 4. Negative square is positive. Cosec square pi by 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 1 by 2. Negative square is positive. Positive cosec square pi by 6. Multiply with 1 by 4. What is the value of cosec pi by 6? Cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2. That is 2 square into 1 by 4. And 1 by 2 as it is, plus 2 square is 4 into 1 by 4, 4 4 cancel, that is equal to 1. Therefore 1 by 2 plus 1, it is same as 3 by 2, that is equal to RHS, right hand side. Okay, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, chalo, question number 3. Question number 3. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec pi by 5 pi by 6. Cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6, that is equal to 6. That we proved, that is equal to 6. First we write a left hand side. Left hand side is equal to cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. What is the value of cot pi by 6? Cot pi by 6 value is root 3 and square, root 3 square. Cosec 5 pi by 6, that means cosec pi minus pi by 6. Cosec pi minus pi by 6 and 3 tan square pi by 6. Tan square pi by 6 value is 1 by root 3 whole square. In cosec pi minus theta, we know the formula of cosec pi minus theta. Cosec pi minus theta, that lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cosec function is positive, that is cosec theta. Okay, that is equal to cosec theta. And root 3 square, that is equal to 3 plus cosec pi by 6 as it is, because second quadrant cosec function is positive. Okay, plus 3, 1 by root 3 square, that is 1 by 3. So 3 as it is. Cosec pi by 6 value is equal to 2 and 3 and 3 cut, plus 1, and 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6, and that is equal to right hand side. That is equal to right hand side value. Okay, have you any doubt? Here the question is 2 sine square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3, that is equal to 10. Okay, that is equal to 10. First we write a left hand side value, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. So first we convert 3 pi by 4, that is pi minus pi by 4, 2 sine square pi minus pi by 4, 2 cos square pi by 4. What is the value of cos square pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 sec square pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 value is 2 by root 3. Sorry, sec pi by 3 value is 2 whole square. Okay, sec pi by 3 value is 2 whole square. And 2 sine square pi by 4. Sine square pi minus pi by 4. Second quadrant, sine function is positive. Sine function is positive, that is sine square pi by 4. Because sine pi minus theta, it is same as sine theta. It is same as sine theta. Okay. That is equal to sine square pi by 4. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4. Sine square pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2 whole square. 2 cut, that means 1. Plus 2 4 is 8. Answer is 8. And 2 multiply. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 cut, that is 1 plus 9. That is equal to 10. That is equal to right hand side value. Okay, that is equal to right hand side value. Okay, clear? How to find the value of sine 75? We know that the sum of two angles is 75. That angle is 45 and 30. We use sine 75. It is same as to write the value of sine 45 plus 30. And the sum of two angles is equal to 75. Sum of these two angles is 75. तो 75 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 45 और 30 का एडिशन के में हम लिख सकते हैं. ओके, तो sin 75 is sin 45 plus sin 30. Then we apply the formula of sin x plus y. We know that the formula of sin x plus y. What is the formula of sin x plus y? That is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus cos x sin y, where x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 30. x की जगह पे हम 45 और y की जगह पे 30 इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं वैल्यू. ओके, x की जगह पे 30 और y की जगह पे हम 45 भी ले सकते हैं. ओके, substitute the value in this form. Therefore sin 45 plus 30, it is same as sin 45 into cos 30. Y is equal to 30, x is equal to 45. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. That is in multiplication form. Okay. What is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Plus cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. And sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Multiplication of root 3 into 1, root 3. And 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Plus 1 into 1, 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, both denominator have same. Therefore, addition of numerator root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, that is the answer. But denominator is irrational number. There, convert into the rationalizing the denominator. Converting, rationalizing the denominator. There we multiply by root 2 in numerator and denominator form. For root 3 into root 2, that is root 6, and 1 into root 2 is equal to root 2. Divided by root 2 into root 2, 2, and 2 2s are 4. That is the final answer. Therefore, sin 75 value is root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Okay. Therefore, we write down the value of sin 75. That is root 6 plus root 2 whole divided by 4. That is the final answer. Okay. Any doubt? बोलो इसमें किसी को डाउट है? tan 15. And how to find the value of tan 15? So difference between two angle is 15. Here the difference between two angle is equal to 15 हमें बताना पड़ेगा. तो दो एंगल का डिफरेंस 15 है, तो हम कोई भी दो एंगल ले सकते हैं, 60 and 45, otherwise 45 and 30. So we take 60 and 45. So tan, here tan 15, it is same as tan 60 minus 45, and either 45 minus 30. Either we use the formula of sine 10 45 minus 30. So first we remember the formula of 10x minus y. We know that the formula of 10x minus y, 10x minus y, that is equal to 10x minus 10y divided by 1 plus 10x 10y. और इस फॉर्मूला में हम x की जगह पे क्या रखेंगे? 60, और x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 45. We take x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 45. Therefore, tan 60 minus 45, that is equal to tan 60 minus tan 45 divide 1 plus tan 60 tan 45 into tan 45 degree. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3 minus tan 45 is 1. 1 plus root 3, tan 60 is root 3 into tan 45 is 1. Then the final simplification is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. 1 plus root 3 means root 3 plus 1. Here denominator is irrational number. Rationalizing the denominator, that is root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1? That is root 3 minus 1. We multiply by numerator and denominator both. Root 3 minus 1. That is equal to root 3 minus, in numerator, root 3 minus 1 whole square. And denominator a plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. A minus b whole square identity, root 3 square is 3, minus 2ab 2 root 3 plus 1 b square, that is 1 square is 1, and root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Here 2 is common in numerator, so 2 is common, bracket into bracket 2 minus root 3 by 2, and 2 cancel. Final answer is 2 minus root 3, and that is the value of tan 15. That is the value of tan 15. Okay, clear? Have you any doubt? Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. दूसरी सारी वैल्यूज हमें फाइंड करनी है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे हमारे पास साइन 75 की वैल्यू अकेली थी. हम सारी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. दूसरी cos 75, tan 75, और tan 15 की वैल्यू है, तो sin 15 और cos 15 की भी वैल्यू हम फाइंड करेंगे. इतनी वैल्यू अभी फाइंड करना है तुम्हें. ओके, इतनी वैल्यूज हमें फाइंड करनी है एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में. ये 4 क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा है. 4 एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन. पहले 75 की फाइंड करो, उसके बाद cos 75 और tan 75 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में. अगर एक क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया तो वो वैल्यू फाइंड करें. cos 75 sin 75 tan 75. चलो, have you completed 10 15? Value of 10 15. Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo.
No.
Find the value of cos 75. Find the value of cos 75. Extra question. Cos 75. Chalo. Find the value of cos 75 degree. Find the value of extra question. Cos 75. Find the value of cos 75. How to find cos 75? It is same as cos 45 plus cos 30. Cos 45 plus 30. Okay, or we know that the formula of cos x plus y. We know that the formula of cos x plus y, it is same as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, and where x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. Therefore, cos 45 plus 30 degree, it is x is equal to 45, y is equal to 30. Cos 45 into cos 30 minus sin 45 sin
minus root 2 by 4.
Sin 45, yes, root sin 45 sin 30. And cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Here the multiplication of numerator is root 3 upon 2 root 2, 1 upon 2 root 2. Both denominator have same. Then addition of numerator. Here denominator is irrational number, rationalizing the denominator. Root 2 by root, multiply with root 2 by root 2. Root 3 into root 2, that is root 6, minus root 2 divided by 2, root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 2 is 4. Therefore, cos 75 value is root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. And that is the final answer. That is the final answer. Similarly, for another question, tan 75. Second one, tan 75. Tan 75, it is same as we apply the rules for tan 45 plus tan 30. And we know that the formula of tan x plus y, tan x plus y, that is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, and where x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, tan 45 plus 30, tan 45 plus tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. Tan 45 tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 45? That is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Rationalizing the denominator. Here take we LCM, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 and root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Both root 3 cancel. Numerator is root 3 plus 1. Denominator is root 3 minus 1. Similarly, again we rationalizing the denominator. Root 3 plus 1 multiply with numerator and denominator. Okay, root 3 plus 1. So in numerator, root 3 plus 1 whole square. And denominator a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. And numerator form is 3. A plus b whole square 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So numerator is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Numerator is 2 is common. So 2 plus root 3 by 2 and final answer is 2 plus root 3. What is the value of 1075? 1075 value that is equal to 2 plus root 3. That is the final answer. That is the final answer. Okay. Any doubt?